Good morning, friends, and happy Friday. Today we're going over our quiz from last week on the 17th. You guys did a really nice job with this quiz, finding out what's 1 more, 10 more, or 100 more. You really paid attention to the place of the digit. So, for example, blank more than 352 is 362. You saw that the tens place was changing, so you saw that it was 10 more than 352 is 362. You guys got a little bit tricked on this problem here, which says 100 less than is 878. A lot of you right away knew that the hundreds place was changing. So you clicked 787 because I think you saw this 7 here and you saw the word less. But the order of the question says 100 less than is 878. So 878 is the smaller number. The answer should have been 978. If your name is on the list that is given to you on the Google assignments, then you need to make sure that you make up this quiz because you didn't do it the first time. If you remember taking this quiz and you think you could have gotten a better grade, then this is a really good opportunity for you to take the quiz again, and Ms. McIntyre will put your higher grade in the grade book. Have fun!